Gynecology. Meaning of gynecology derived from the Greek word gyne means woman and logia mean study of, literally means the study of women, especially female reproductive health. Definition of gynecology. Gynecology is the branch of medicine that focuses on the female reproductive system, includes the uterus, ovaries, fallopian tube, cervix, vagina, breast. It's deal with diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disorder in that organ. Key terminology in gynecology. Term obstetrics deal with pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum care. Menarche, the first occurrence of menstruation. Menopause, the end of menstrual cycle, usually after age 45 to 55. Dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation. Amenorrhea, absence of menstruation. Endometriosis, growth of uterine tissue outside the uterus. Fibroids, non-cancerous tumor in the uterus. Pap smear, the test of cervical cancer. Screening. HPV, human papilloma virus linked to cervical cancer. IUD, intrauterine device, contraceptive. Hysterectomy, surgical removal of the uterus. Laparoscopy, minimalize invasion. Sieve, surgical procedure. Why is the gynecology needed? Preventive care, early detection of cancer, breast, cervical, and ovarian. Reproductive health, family planning, contraceptive, fertility treatment. Disease management, treating infection, STIs, yeast infection, hormonal disorder, PCODs, and chronic conditions, endometriosis. Surgical intervention, removing fibroids, cysts, and cancerous tissue. Menstrual health, managing irregular, heavy, and painful periods. Sexual health, addressing pain during intercourse, vaginal dryness, and STS. What does a gynecologist do? Diagnose and treatment, conduct pelvic exam, ultrasounds, and biopsy, prescribe medications, antibiotic, hormones, and contraceptive, performed surgeries like hysterectomy, laparoscopy, LEEP, preventive care, administered HPV vaccine, performed pap smear and breast exam, counseling and education, birth control option, menopause management, fertility, pregnancy planning. Conclusion: gynecology is essential for women's health at all life stages, from puberty to menopause. It's ensure reproductive health, disease prevention, and treatment of conditions affecting the female body. Thank you for watching. If you are enjoyed, subscribe. It helps a lot.